The purge bulb, more commonly called the primer bulb, manually pumps fuel into the carburetor, which purges the air out of the carburetor. Without a functioning purge bulb, you must pull the starter rope multiple times until the carburetor diaphragm can pump enough fuel into the carburetor for the engine to start. Over time, the purge bulb will harden and crack due to its constant exposure with fuel. Once cracked, it will no longer pump fuel into the carb, causing a hard starting engine. Replacing the purge bulb is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Soja.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
Before beginning this repair, you'll want to make sure you drain all the fuel from the fuel tank. I'll begin by removing the air filter cover. And the air filter. Now I'll remove the screws that secure the air filter base and the carburetor. With the carburetor removed, I'll note the location of each of the fuel lines and then remove them from the carburetor. The primer bulb is held in place with this metal plate. I'll go ahead and remove the screws that secure it. If the plate is stuck to the other pieces of the carburetor, use a small screwdriver to separate it. I'll pop the primer bulb out of the plate and install the new one. Place the plate and primer bulb back onto the carburetor and re-secure it with the screws. Now I can reinstall the carburetor. I'll reattach the fuel lines. I'll place the screws first through the air filter base, then through the carburetor. And then attach this assembly back to the isolator. And I'll reinstall the air filter. And I'll finish by reinstalling the air filter cover. And that's how easy it is to install a purge bulb on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.